Hi. In this video I will show you how to solve a Hashi puzzle. First let's go through some basic concepts. One of the rules of the game is that you can have at most 2 bridges between 2 islands. If we have a 4 in a corner, we'll need to have 2 bridges in each direction. If there is 1 bridge in one of the directions, then we'll need to have 3 bridges in the other direction, which is not allowed. The same way, if we have a 6 on the edge of the puzzle, or there are only 3 possible neighbor islands, we have 2 bridges in each direction. And of course, an 8 anywhere on the puzzle must have 2 bridges in all 4 directions. 4 in a corner, 6 on the edge and 8 anywhere on the puzzle, these islands can be instantly solved. Now let's see what happens if we had a 3 in the corner instead of a 4. We can't have 2 bridges in each direction. We have an extra bridge, which we'll need to remove. We can have it like this. Or like this. In both cases we have at least 1 bridge in all directions. Similarly, if we had a 5 on the edge, there would be at least 1 bridge in each 3 directions. Same goes for a 7 anywhere on the puzzle. The other main rule is that all islands should be connected in a single group. This means that we cannot have a bridge between 2 islands with 1. This would leave them isolated from the other islands. Similarly, we cannot have 2 bridges between islands with 2. Are you ready to try solving a complete puzzle? Let's do this one together. Did you notice the 4 in the corner? Let's quickly solve it. It is very helpful to mark the completed islands in some way. We can solve this 6 as well. This move also completes the 2 at the bottom. The 3 in the corner is pretty straightforward. It already has 2 bridges. We need 1 more, which can only be connected to the 4. Here we have a 5 on the edge. We can draw a bridge in each direction. Each bridge that we draw adds additional restrictions to the puzzle. In this case we left only 1 possible island for the 1 to connect to. And for this 2 also. Take a look at this 1. We cannot connect it to the other 1, because this would isolate them from the rest of the islands. It must be connected to the 4 above. This 1 can only be connected to the 3 above. This 4 needs 1 more bridge. We can only connect it to the 3. Take a look at this 2. It can connect to the 1 and to the 6. We cannot have both bridges to the 1. At least one of them must connect to the 6. Now, because of the last bridge we placed, this 3 can only connect to the 3 above. We place the missing 2 bridges, which solves both 3s. The 6 has only 3 possible islands left. We solve the 6 by placing 2 bridges in each direction. This solves both the 6 and the 2. This 1 can only connect upwards. So does this 1. This solves the 1 and the 5. This 3 has only 2 possible islands to connect to. Like a 3 in a corner, it must have at least 1 bridge in both directions. The 5 is solved now. So the third bridge must be to the 4. Both the 3 and the 4 are solved. We need 1 more bridge for this 5. Down is the only direction. And finally we should connect the 2 and the 4. The puzzle is solved. And one general advice: never make a guess. Play only moves that you are 100% certain they are correct. In the next video I will show you how to make the most out of the interface of puzzle-bridges.com. I will show you all the settings, different modes and helpers. How to play on a desktop computer or on a mobile device.